Welcome! Today I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key into XIAOMI Black Shark 4. First of all, open Settings and find Additional Settings, this one. Go into, and here we got Button Shortcut, second option. So click, and here I need to choose Launch Google Assistant, so click it, and here we got combination with long press to home button, so let's try. And now we activate Google Assistant, so you can change this combination, for example, power plus back key and power plus menu or another option. And for unlinking this option, so need click none, and for saving click back, and it saves automatically. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.